Okay, I got my package. It came from New Jersey, from Kathy, and I don't know how to pronounce her last name, so I'm not going to even try it. But I picked up the package at the post office finally because I haven't been here for them to deliver it. And actually, I had started to cut it open on the bottom, but I told her, well, there was somebody else sending the package, and I said, I'm going to record this. So, let's see if I can do this holding one hand and working with my left hand, which I'm not good at. So, I got to use my leg. I'm sitting on the floor of my studio. Well, my gallery. See, there's the Christmas lights. I'm going to put them on the post and wrap some pretty shimmery ribbon around it. And I'm sitting amongst all my colorful happy paintings. Yay! So, I have been working frantically, and I still have so much to do. But I'm not going to be back, I don't think, before Thanksgiving. So I wanted to get as much done as I could. Trying to do this with my car keys, and I had scissors just a minute ago, but I don't want to go get them because I'm on the floor and it's hard to get up. So this was supposed to be a birthday surprise, and it was at the post office for a while because they couldn't deliver it here because I wasn't here. So anyway, whew. Kathy, you did a great job taping this thing, let me tell you. It's not meant to get into with just hands. But I'm going to get into it with keys. I can tell you that. Come on, open up. Sandra, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy these gifts I made for you. You are my inspiration and teacher. Keepsake box for all your hopes, dreams, and prayers. God bless. Kathy. DePalo, I don't know how to say it. DePalo. I'm pretty much probably screwing that up. Of course, you know, my married name on Facebook is Trumpfeller, and people can never, ever, ever, ever pronounce it right. So, I'm used to my name getting messed up all the time. So, oh, I gotta put my phone down for a second. So, here is oh wow, it's a canvas. How cool. Let me move the box out of the way. It's like a canvas on top. Oh, she's cut it, the canvas, in pieces. That is so cool. So there's front pieces. And it's metallics, like peacock colors, which I love. And it goes with my walls of my gallery and my carpet. It's beautiful, Kathy. There's a little opening. More stuff. Look, look. She's got some inside. I don't know how she did that. She must have painted on a canvas and then literally cut the canvas off apart and glued it into the wooden box and around it. That is so cool. So, handmade with love. Oh, how sweet. It's handmade jewelry. And I just broke my thumbnail, so it looks rough, but hey, I've got scratches and everything all over my hands. It's got shimmer to it. Look at that. That's so pretty. So that's in one box. There's 4 boxes. I should do this with my right hand. I'm right-handed. It would be much easier. Here's a keychain. That's pretty. I'm letting my phone focus there. It's got all those pretty colorful pastel colors. Hot pink. Well, not pastels, but cheerful and bright. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Come on, focus. So it's got that turquoise color shimmers. It's like a metallic paint, and it's got a little sparkle to it, like a glittery look, and orange and green and white. That's pretty. So 2 necklaces. Here's my last box. Oh, that's beautiful. It's got the gold, and it looks like a deep midnight blue with some turquoise. That almost looks like a ocean wave with some reflections almost at nighttime. That's really pretty. That's gorgeous. So 2 keychains and 2 necklaces. And the box smells good too. It has a nice scent to it. I don't know. It may just be cedar. I don't know, but it smells good. Thank you, Kathy. That is so sweet of you. I love my little gifts. My box and my hand-painted jewelry. So for you, those of you that have not gotten into jewelry yet, it's really fun to do. And that's why we keep acrylic skins when our paint drips, and we let it dry on the table on butcher paper or parchment paper or whatever you use to put your skins on, photo paper. That's what we make from them, is these cool jewelry pieces. I've done it several times. I have so many skins that I'm saving, but I haven't had a chance to do jewelry making here lately. I need to order some more sets from, I like Lily D's, www.lilyds.com. But this is so pretty and so cool. It's so unique. I'm going to put this box in here on my table with my bowl that Felicia made me. And it's not going to be for sale, obviously, because it's mine. But that is so cool. Let's see what the bottom says. Distributed by Crowned Heads, handmade in Esteli, Nicaragua. So the box is made somewhere, and maybe it's the smell of the box that almost has a cedar smell. Maybe that is what I'm smelling. But that is so sweet and thoughtful, and I am just so grateful. Thank you, Kathy. I really, really appreciate it. You did a great job. I love my surprise. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.